In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stripe to your GoDaddy website, a comprehensive 2025 guide that will streamline your online payment process. Whether you're running a small business or managing a growing e-commerce platform, integrating Stripe can significantly enhance your sales capabilities by offering a secure and efficient payment gateway. First, we start by visiting the GoDaddy website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you find yourself not logged in, simply enter your credentials and then head to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your name. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Next up, you'll want to click on My Products. This section provides a comprehensive view of all the services and products you have with GoDaddy. From domains to built websites, everything is here. Select your specific website where you want to add Stripe as a payment option. Once you've selected your website, you'll be redirected to the management dashboard catered to that site. Here, look for the tab or link that says Store or Manage Store. This section is where you handle your site's commerce elements. In the Store section, glance over to find Settings. This is typically found in a menu that manages the functionalities of your online store. In Settings, we'll be focusing on a specific area dedicated to payments. Now let's dive into payments. This part of the process is crucial because it lists various payment options that can be configured for your online store. Within payments, scroll down or find where it mentions Stripe as a payment method you can integrate. You should spot an option that says Connect next to Stripe. Click on Connect to initiate the integration process. You'll be directed to a new page, perhaps a pop-up, prompting you to connect your Stripe account to your GoDaddy website. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, this is a good time to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions by entering your Stripe login details to link it seamlessly with GoDaddy. As you proceed, make sure to complete any required details accurately. This might include personal or business information necessary for Stripe to function effectively as a payment processor on your site. Accuracy here ensures a smooth operation once everything is set up. Once your details are filled in, you'll be given options to further personalize the information associated with your Stripe account. Dive into the personal details section where you can review and adjust your settings as needed. And finally, after reviewing all entries and tweaks, look for the Continue button. Click Continue to finalize the process and save your settings. This confirmation implies your Stripe account is now linked to your GoDaddy website, allowing you to accept payments with ease. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Stripe into your GoDaddy website, paving the way for secure and efficient transactions that cater to the needs of your customers. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your enhanced e-commerce experience.